Soak 2 cups of sabudana overnight. For 1 cup of sabudana, soak 4 cups of rice overnight. I have added 2 cups of sabudana, so I am adding 8 cups of rice. Soak overnight. Now let's grind the sabudana into a smooth paste after soaking. Then we will grind the soaked rice into a smooth paste. Now let's mix both the pastes well. This will be our batter. Set it aside. Now we will add some flavorings in our batter. So I have added salt, Ajwain, mix well, and water to adjust consistency. The consistency should be like this. If we draw a line, it should be clear. So now take a plate and pour a spoon of the batter and rotate it in any direction to make a thin Now if you want, you can add some flavorings, like I have added here some green chillies and curry leaves, or you can try adding some tomato puree and to give it a tomato flavor. Yeah, the flavoring should be just mixed in the batter according to your taste preferences. Let's check the consistency. Yeah, it's fine. Now in the same way for the flavored vadams too. You just have to put a spoon in a plate or something, then just make it spread evenly. Don't make it too thin, it might tear off while taking it off. Just add some thickness too. Okay, now let's steam those Ela Vadams. Like, have water in a pot and add a plate or something for support, and on top of it add the plates and steam cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, now you can see that it has cooked well. Now let's take it, and I have placed another plate. Okay, now have a bowl of cold water, just normal room temperature water, and submerge the plate into that. It will help it take the vadam off. Now let's take a spoon and just bend the corners to easily take it off. It it might take some time to go through this. Just be patient and you will get it. Now let's dry them off. So have a clean piece of cloth anywhere in your room under a fan. Now place the vadam in that piece of clothing. You can add as much of vadam as you like. See, you can see I have added the tomato ones, the green ones and the white ones too. So just let it dry under a fan for some time. If you are not sure, you can also try drying them in sun, just like I have that. Yeah, so it's ready. Now we will try deep frying it and let's see how it tastes. Yeah, it has come good.